Backing up your website is super important. It keeps a safe copy of all your files, content, and settings, so you can restore everything if something goes wrong. The easiest way to do this on WordPress is by using a plugin called UpdraftPlus. It's completely free and reliable and not sponsored. Let's go back to the dashboard. Go to plugins on the left side, select add plugin. In search plugins, type UpdraftPlus. It's the first option on the left side. Click install, click activate. We can select press here to start. Let's go to settings tab, third one. Here we can set up the backup schedule. For example, we can do it manually or every 2 hours or let's say weekly, and retain this many scheduled backups. We can change it to 4. The same for the backup for the database. We can do it weekly as well. You can change it to 4 if you want to. If you scroll down, this is the remote storage. There are too many options to choose from. In this tutorial, we are going to use Google Drive. So click on this one. Scroll down. Before we sign in, scroll a bit down. In the include in files backup, we've got the option what to include, what to not include, from plugins to themes to other uploads as well. Once you are happy with the changes, click Save Changes. We've got this pop-up because we have selected Google Drive. Click Sign in with Google. Select your email address. Click Continue. Saying UpdraftPlus wants to access your Google account. Click Continue. If you get this error, don't worry about it. Sometimes it just happens because of can be an issue with Updraft. Click on Return to Updraft. Scroll down again. Go to Settings. Select Google Drive. Sign in with Google again. Select your email address. Click Continue. Continue. Now the setup is complete. Click Complete Setup. And we've got the success message. You have authenticated your Google Drive account. If you scroll down, for the next scheduled backup, it tells you when is going to be the next backup. The same for files and database. Once the first backup is complete, you should see it under existing backups. And if you have selected Google Drive as the remote storage, then here is an example of what to expect in your Google Drive. If you go to your Google Drive, My Drive, you should see a folder called UpdraftPlus, and this is where all your files are getting saved.